Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to write 10 sentences on unity in diversity in India. India is a country that is united in a diversified society. India is a country where people of many ethnic groups live together since several years. Unity in diversity is the most wonderful aspect of our country. In spite of the diversity, they live together with the bonds of humanity and brotherhood. The concept of unity in diversity implies oneness among people despite the differences. Unity in diversity is the distinct feature of India which makes it famous all around the world. Indians live together and there is peace and harmony among different religious communities. Indians are known for their warm hospitality and demonstrate a potent bond of unity despite of the diversity that prevails. Unity in diversity has given rise to the great national integration characteristics of the country. It gives value to the rich heritages of the country as well as strengthens and enriches the cultural heritage of India. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.